Hey guys, welcome to the Hacked Existence tutorial on building a battery pack for the Ouispy. So by the end of this video, I'll show you how to 3D print out these three layers. We'll stick a 550 milliamp hour battery in there with a USB-C charging circuit and a power switch to make this thing self-contained. And the reason I built this is because every time I drove around, I basically only use the Ouispy when I'm driving to look for flock cameras, and I just got tired after a couple days of having to plug it in every time and power it. So by adding its own power source, I made it into a nice little keychain that will just go with me every time I get in my car now, and I can just flip it on and hunt for those flock cameras. So let's jump into the bill of materials. So here's our bill of materials. Obviously, we're going to start with the completed Ouispy, and to that, I'm going to be adding these three 3D printed layers, and this bottom layer here is going to hold the TP4056. This is a USB-C charging circuit that's going to charge the battery. So this is going to fit right in here. And the battery that I'm using is an 802035. That's a 550 milliamp hour battery, and that's going to fit right into our second piece here. And these are going to stack on top of each other. In here, I'm also going to put a little power switch right here so that I can turn it on and off. And then the third layer will go on top, and we will take the top and bottom and sandwich the whole thing. And I will hold it together with M3 by 25 screws and some M3 nuts. So I'm going to begin by placing these two where they need to go, stacking them on top of each other. And I'm going to pull the wires down where they need to solder to the charging board here. And I'm going to give them a little bit of slack, and I'm going to cut them off, and then we'll solder them on. All right, so now I'll strip these wires back, and we're going to run the positive and negative into the B plus and B minus on the charging circuit and solder those in place. All right, now that we have our battery all soldered up to our charging circuit, we want to test this next. So I'm going to do that by plugging in USB-C power, and we'll see the power light comes on, so it is charging. So our circuit is all wired up properly. The next step, we'll stick it in the case here. And now I'm going to take my 3-pole switch, and I'm going to cut off one of these poles off the end. And I'll go ahead and stick that switch in its little home. And next what I'm going to do is wire up a red wire to the battery positive out and the power coming off of our charging circuit. And I'm going to run that through and solder it. Then I'll run some heat shrink onto it and strip it back and solder it to this end pole here. All right, with the first half of our positive circuit all done, now I'm going to hang a red wire off of the remaining pin, and I'll heat shrink that one as well. And I'm going to hang a black wire off of the negative output from our charging circuit. All right, now with our power circuit all wired up, we can begin assembling the first plate. We'll drop the charger in where it's going to live, and we'll fold our switch over and drop it in. All right, and with our wires all tucked into the trough in the middle there, we can add the second plate and fold the battery into place. All right, now we've got this all assembled, we can set it aside and take apart the Ouispy. All right, now if we take our assembled power circuit and we add the third blade to it, we can see that the top of the Ouispy fits right on here with this trough for the pins that stick through. And if we look on the bottom of the S3 chip, we can see that the second pin here is ground and the third pin is 3.3 volts. So we're going to wire black to the second pin and red to the third pin. And so holding up all three of these put together, I'm going to take my black and red wires and I'm going to run them out the side and cut them to length there. And now I'll strip these two back and I will solder them to the bottom of these two pins here. All right, here we can see we've got our ground and our positive wires wired on to the bottom of the S3 chip. So now we can begin reassembling this thing. So I'm going to start by adding the third plate. And from there, we should be able to set the top piece in. And with just a little bit of finagling the power wires around the antenna wire, we can see we've got a nice flat mount all the way down. So now we'll drive the bolts through it. All right, so at this point, we should have a fully assembled Ouispy with a battery and a charging circuit all built in that you can plug USB-C into to charge it. We can flip the switch, and in a second here, we'll hear the FlockYou startup sound. So the last thing to do now is to add it to our keychain. All right, so now anytime we go for a ride, we can kick this thing on and hunt some flock cameras. So now it's time to get out there and start driving around looking for those cameras. As always, stay tuned, and thanks for watching.